My experience with Shiba Doge has been very, very exciting and impressive because they're building a strong community. They're building something that enormous, just like it says here. We have enormous, some would say, planet-sized plans for the future of Shiba Doge and the community. You're early, and that's how I really feel, because as I continue looking at things, look at this. Shiba Doge has a 15% buy-sell tax, 5% liquidity, 5% marketing, 5% reflections. And look at this little cycle that you see. You see the cycle, and you are here. You see that? I love it when they do this. And actually, looking at the stages, on launch, stage 1, and on to stage number 2, they're doing a really good job. I'm looking forward for the staking to be in there, and also the next exchange. And as well, they're still trendy. Even in the down market, they're still trendy. But let me give you some news and some information that you probably want to know. Stand by. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Listen, there's some good news coming up, so you want to pay attention. And there's an AMA with David Goldstein this Friday, 12 p.m. Pacific time. You definitely want to watch that and be ready. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, let me tell you about the community and what's going on what I'm seeing here. You got the Hotbit and xt.com listing. That's happening right now. One thing I would like to express is how big a token called Shiba Doge is and will be on tier 2 and tier 1 exchange. I can't wait to tier 1 and tier 2 exchange, because you see it on stage number 3, tier 1 exchange listing, and then you see the L-Bank listing here. So they actually starting to get a little bit on the stage 3 area. So let's talk about this whole space charity event. And let me go back right over here. Okay, the space charity event. The 3D Elon model is currently in testing with two friends at SpaceX. We're going to do a massive Twitter space charity event. This is awesome. This should happen around 2 to 3 weeks from now of the space event. And also the AMA, like I was talking about earlier, even though it's not on here, but with David Goldstein, you definitely want to pay attention to that. 12 p.m. Pacific time. Information will be out. Making sure you check Twitter for any additional information here. So if I'm you, make sure you're one of these followers right here, okay? And make sure you pay attention for any information coming out from the AMA, from the great David Goldstein. And also, I want to tell you about this. Let me look at the chart, because we've been always looking at the chart. And let me bring on the chart right now. Let me bring on Shiba Doge. Okay. Look at this. Look at these buys all of a sudden. You see these buys? These are buys. These are buys. Even though the price has taken a dip, and even though the market cap is 45 million, which is still pretty impressive, especially how young of a project Shiba Doge is, look at all these buys that's coming in here. Look at this. These are all buys. These are buys, guys. These are buys. All these are buys that's coming in. So that means there's a couple of things. There's reflections, and it also means opportunity. That's what I'm talking about. So if you're just joining here and you don't know about Shiba Doge, which to me is Shiba and Doge coming together as one community as one. So if you want to know how to buy this, you can get this on a couple of ways. You can get it right on Hotbit, so you can click on the link right from the website, and you can get this on Hotbit. Very simple and very easy. I'll have the link in the description of how to do that. Very simple. The next thing you can get this is traditionally on Uniswap, right there. I'll have the link in the description. Very simple and very easy. The biggest thing you want to go ahead and do is connect your wallet together. MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or even Coinbase wallet, or any of these wallets. So if I say MetaMask, right? Let's say we're going to do MetaMask, okay? So you want to connect your MetaMask wallet together. It's getting things ready. Sometimes it takes time before they do that. So you want to go ahead and connect to your MetaMask. Make sure it's done correctly. Let me make sure this is correct. Let me try. Okay, let me try Coinbase wallet. See something going on with MetaMask. But what you want to do is select your Ethereum. Okay. So make sure your slippage is set. So I can probably do my slippage around 20 on Shiba Doge. Okay. So my wallet's connected here. Okay. I'm using Coinbase wallet for this example. Make sure Ethereum, ETH, is selected. You must have Ethereum to swap it out. And then your Shiba Doge, you can go ahead and swap your Ethereum, whatever Ethereum you have, for Shiba Doge, just like that. So I want you to go ahead and go through this if it's something you want to do. Also, this is something else. You actually can get it on the website as well by connecting your wallet together. You see that? Coinbase wallet, I can connect it just as simple as that. And that's it. Yes. All right. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let me check out the chart one more time. You see this up and down effect, even on the 4-hour chart. But even if I do 12 hours here, it still says up and down, but I'm looking at all the buys, and the price is affordable. It's a dip, not financial advice, but it's opportunity with Shiba Doge. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And I want to let you know, guys, don't forget this Friday, AMA with David Gokhshtein. You definitely don't want to miss it. And check Twitter for any additional information. I'll see you on the next video.